At the Business Today, India Today Budget Roundtable, of course, after the mega budget that has gone by, joining me is Mr. Vijay Kedia, who needs no introduction, but I'm going to start off with the elephant in the room, that is the announcement that's come in from the capital gains tax. How have you seen market reacting to this? Now, FM and the team says that this is something that's going to be for the good of it. Do you agree?
Of course, I think you have to see the bigger picture. Okay. You see, there is a saying, you cannot make all the people happy all of the times, and you cannot make all of the people happy, something like this, all of the times, So ultimately, the thing is this, ultimately they have to make money from somewhere, and let us not look at only from the capital market perspective. Because all the asset class has been brought into one category, 12.5%. So maybe somebody will benefit. So ultimately, the goal of the budget is to dig one hole to, to fill up another one.
I'm not going to leave this opportunity by not asking you. Is a lot of young investors who are watching us, Mr. Kedia, कोई ऐसे 2 या 3 sectors or stocks that you recommend they should be looking out for in order to, work on a good investment?
You see, there is a saying, वो गाना था ना, picture थी ना, दुल्हन वही जो पिया मन भाई है. So ultimately, wherever government is focusing, those sectors will do well. And government has repeatedly been saying, and government's focus is on infrastructure. And another theme is manufacturing, because manufacturing has potentially to create like 80, I don't know about this 80 lakh job per year on possible or not, but at least to some extent it can help the government. So I think infrastructure, manufacturing and tourism, which now government is forcing. Besides this, all the sectors should do well. But personally, if you are asking me, then I am bullish on these 3 sectors.
Okay, great. Do you have a word of advice or suggestion for the Ministry of Finance on behalf of the market?
Yeah, one very important message I would like to give to FM and the government of our finance ministry, that STT has been raised, that is okay. Capital gain tax has been raised, that is okay. But double taxation on dividend, they should amend this thing. This is it's not a fair treatment. Because if you are paying interest, if a company, there are 2 ways a company can raise capital, either by the way of equity or by the way of debt. So for that you are paying interest, which is before tax. Okay, but if a company has to pay dividend, then it is after tax only. And again, if I am the recipient of the dividend, I have to pay taxes also. So double taxation, and I am taking more risk than the debt. If a company suppose fails, so I am the last person to get my capital back from the company. So this treatment is not fair.
Okay. But you said it's okay with the short-term gain tax.
Yeah, that is I'm all right. That is okay. 15 to 20%. Ultimately, they have to raise money. You see, there Annadata scheme, Mahila Data, Jeevan Data. So many schemes are running in this. And ultimately, who is going to support those schemes? Who are earning? If I'm making money and I don't want to pay taxes, somebody is not making money, they don't want to pay taxes. So ultimately, who will pay taxes? So 15 to 20% is okay. That is okay. But dividend should be abolished. Dividend tax.
Rollback of dividend is your request from the market to the Ministry of Finance. Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Kedia, for joining us on this chat.
Thank you.